Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Faida Khanullah from Abbasian University, Peshawar. We have started the summer semester, and this is our first lecture today. The information security, lecture number 1. Most of the lectures have already been recorded, and those are available on the portal. But the new lectures, those are not available. I will record them and I will upload them also. So the first thing is what is the security? In general, security is the quality of state to being secure, that is to be free from danger. That is, you have no danger from anyone else. In other words, protecting against the adversaries from those who would do a harm intentionally or otherwise is the objective. Means you wish to protect yourself from those who gave you some sort of harm. The national security, for example, is a multi-layered system that protects the sovereignty of the state, its assets, its resources, and its people. So achieving an appropriate level of security for an organization, it also requires multifaceted system. So a successful organization will have the following multiple layers of the securities to protect the operations. What are these ones? The physical security, to protect your devices from the physical damage. The personal security, to protect someone to reach the resources and to give them a harm by a single person or by a group of people. Operation security, that is the operations those are to be performed in an organization and you wish to protect them from any type of actions to be conducted by them and to harm any of the operations. For example, you wish to generate a result and during this process, someone change his marks. If there is a bank where you store some of the amount and while storing some of the amount has been changed. So this is called the operation security. Or you are crediting some of the amount in one account and it is being credited in another account. So these are related to the information security. Communication security, to protect the media technology and the content, means that the data that is to be passed through the cables, through the routers, through the switches, you protect this media from the physical damage or the technology or the contents, those are to be passed through these devices. The network security, to protect the networking components, the contents, and the resources. So there is a change in the communication security, that is the media of the communication. And here we deal with the components of the network. Information security, to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability, that is CIA. Where is being storage? So the Committee for the National Security System, CNSS, defines the information security as the protection of the information in its critical elements, including the system hardware. So this is a committee that defines that how to achieve the information security. It defines the rules and the regulations to protect yourself from different type of damages. Now, what is information security? So the state of being protected against the unauthorized use of information, specifically electronic data, are the measures taken to achieve this. The growing use of a mobile application is posing the risk of information security. This is one of the new risk because in the previous design, a man should physically reach and would destroy. And now in the mobile application, you are connected to a Wi-Fi, so the Wi-Fi may be insecure and they can damage. So information security is sometimes shorted as InfoSec is the practice of preventing unauthorized access. A man who is not authorized for the access, you should prevent the use, disclosure, disruption to disturb the actions, modification, make change in the data, inspection, just reading or observing your network, recording or destruction of the information is in general terms can be used regardless of the form of data may take. Maybe he will take your data or may not take your data. But if the confidentiality is violated, your secret information are being leaked is also an issue. So there are three objectives. And the fourth one I have added the non-reputation. So CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So what is a confidentiality? A confidentiality means that the people cannot read the sensitive information. What is integrity? To means that the attacker cannot change or destroy the availability to let the data available. So to protect from reading, confidentiality, to protect from change, integrity, to protect the network and the resources to reach your data to the authorized person. Your network should be available, your server should be available. In the non-reputation, that if some agreement has been conducted, so the party should not deny the agreement. For example, person makes an agreement with another man and later on he denies, clear? So if he denies this, this comes under the non-reputation. So foundation of information security. So information security as a whole is the security of extensive entity, and there are numerous definitions for depending on the sub area of the security being examined. As a concept, information security is not only restricted to technical solutions such as the software as a hardware, but the most central security factors belonging to it relate to the human actions and in general arrangements for the security operation. So the effect of information security entails the operations of the whole organization, such as the quality of service, productivity, and economically. The principles of security culture. So state government applies the principle recommended by the OECD, Economic Cooperation and Development. It is an organization and it defines the rules for the security. And for being protected, you are required to follow the guidelines. We will discuss this in the previous lectures also. So the National Information Security Strategy. The National Information Security Strategy creates a common basis of the extensive development work in the information security. So what is the cryptography? Pre-computer era, we are not going to it, but there are some basic terminologies in the security. The threat environment, the people from whom you feel a threat. If you are feeling that I don't have a threat, you are not a security expert. For example, you come from a home and you say, I'm going to university, I don't have a threat. So a bus, or a car will hit you and you will go to death. So you have to know about the threat environment, and then you can take the measures or the action. Similarly, for a security expert, he must know his enemy and then he can protect. And if he says that I have no problem, I don't have a threat from anyone, so he is not a good security expert. Security goals: corporations can sabotage and corporation have the security goals. Sometime one organization uh, and subgroup in a corporation have the security goal. That for what purpose you wish to achieve this security. So CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These are the achievements for security. That to protect your data from reading, to protect your data from integrity, change, and to make your servers and the resources available. What is a compromise? Any type of action that can make or causing a harm to a business is called a compromise. Just reading someone say it is not threatening you, but it can threat you because if your personal document is being read by someone, he may share it. For example, your family pictures. So this is a compromise. Countermeasure. Naturally, the security professional try to stop the threat. So if your data is being compromised by enemy, so the security professional will take some of the actions or the strategies to protect you from this. So this is a countermeasure. So the threat environment, you know about the security goals, what you wish to achieve, the compromise, what thing can be give you a harm, and the countermeasure, how to protect yourself. This is a very important study of the TJX data breach. It was a company of the United States here. The detail is written over here, which was a retailer and was giving an off price retail, mean that the low price. But if you reduce the price of some of the good, then of course you will have to minimize the expenses. So the TJX, Max and Marshall, they wish to sell the goods with a low price. And they had the retail stores in over 2,500 shops in different countries like United States, Canada, England, Ireland, and several other countries. So this was that they were selling the goods with low price. But of course, if you reduce the price, your income will be reduced. And then you will control the expenses also. Because if you will not reduce your expenses, you will be bankrupted. So same is the case with the TJX. This is the case history. But what will happen with this? That reducing the cost, they purchase the low price wireless device and it was penetrated. These were penetrated by the hackers. And they stole the credit card records and information from them. And what was happened? That they understood that a very big amount of their customer data has been compromised. So you can see that the settle of the bank in association with the $40 million was a one penalty to the TJX and 88,000 for the Visa cards have been found. So the total damage that was estimated was 256 million. That was a big loss for the organization that they paid to the customer, to the banks, and to the user because of reducing the price. In fact, what I wish to convey you that they use the low price devices for reducing the cost. And what in return they got? A very big penalty of paying in different situations. So these are in fact the 12 rules for the protection. And out of these protections, only 3 were adopted by them, and rest were not satisfied. And that was the main issue. So install and maintain the firewall that didn't have a firewall, the vendor supply, protect the stored card holder. So only 2 or 3 they were fulfilling and the rest were not fulfilling. And this was the reason. And now you can see a majority of the banks are the online and they are connected to the main servers at Karachi in Pakistan. But if they are not following, they will have the same. And you hear sometimes in the newspapers and the television and the media that the government fines the banks even if they do not follow the rules and regulations for protecting their data. Thanks. I think it's enough for today's class. And if you have some of the queries, you can contact with me on the group. And the video will be uploaded. You can see this online. The notes are already shared on the LMS, so you can take them.